Okay, Isaac, who's that from?
Mama, yeah.
This one's a great reading.
That's for Ethan. Why don't you open your stroller?
Guys, look at I got.
It's a box!
It's a box. What's inside?
Maybe something great.
It's for his dog.
He's working hard. He's working hard. Can he do it? Can he do it? Do you want a hand with a ribbon?
Just yank it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mommy,
There we go.
can you give me that those?
Here it is, Isaac.
Can you open? It's Buzz.
It's Buzz.
Buzz. It's Buzz, the superhero. He has wings.
Ethan, let him pull it out.
Look, I pushed his button.
Hey, Isaac, show Daddy.
Show Daddy
Look.
so he can take a picture. Isaac's like one track.
I couldn't push.
Show it to Daddy, honey. Hold it up and show it to Daddy.
Oh, and say thank you, Mama. Yeah, yeah.
Thank you, Mom. Yeah.